Who appoints the judge of the Supreme Court of India? President of India. Every judge of the Supreme Court is appointed by the President after consulting the Chief Justice of India from Article 124. While appointing the Chief Justice of India, the President can consult whom? Judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts. Article 124(2) allows the President to consult such judges as he thinks necessary while appointing the Chief Justice of India. What is the minimum qualification required to become a Supreme Court judge? High Court judge for 5 years or advocate for 10 years. As per the Article 124(3), a person must be citizen of India and should have served either as a High Court judge for 5 years or as an advocate for 10 years. What is the retirement age of the Supreme Court judge? 65 years. As per the Article 124(2), a Supreme Court judge retires at the age of 65 years. Which of the following is not a method by which Supreme Court judge cease to hold office? Transfer to High Court. A judge cannot be transferred to the High Court. He ceases to be in office or resignation, removal or retirement. Which article deals with the removal of Supreme Court judge? Article 124(4). Article 124(4) mentions process of the removal, implementation or ground of the proven misbehavior or incapacity. How many Lok Sabha members must sign a motion to initiate removal of the Supreme Court judge? 100. The motion for impeachment must be signed by at least 100 Lok Sabha or 15 Rajya Sabha members. After retirement, a Supreme Court judge can not practice in any court in India. Article 124(7) prohibits retired Supreme Court judge from pleading or acting before any court in India. The exclusive original jurisdictions of the Supreme Court includes dispute between center and state. Article 131 gives the Supreme Court original jurisdictions in dispute between the center and states. Under which article can the Supreme Court issue writs for the enforcement of the fundamental rights? Article 32. Article 32 gives the Supreme Court original jurisdictions to issue rights to enforce fundamental rights. The Supreme Court's jurisdictions can be categorized into how many types? 3. The jurisdictions of the Supreme Court is threefold: original, appellate and the advisory. Which article gives the President power to seek the advisory opinion of the Supreme Court? Article 143. Article 143 empowers the President to refer any questions of law to the Supreme Court for its advisory opinion. The Supreme Court is the final authority on interpretation of the Constitution. The Supreme Court is the highest authority for the constitutional interpretation in India. The procedure for the removal of Supreme Court judge is the same as that of the High Court judge. Both Supreme and High Court judge follow the same process of the impeachment under the Article 124(4). The Supreme Court can grant special leave to appeal under which article? Hello guys, please answer in comment section and please like, share and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you.